Introduction to Python Fundamentals. Hello World. Beginning our journey with Python. If you have coded in any other programming language, you will realize that the first and foremost program that is introduced to a new learner is the Hello World program. The same is true with your journey with Python. If it is not the first program you code, it is one that you will definitely come across during your journey with the programming language. The Hello World program is the traditional way or norm in which an individual is introduced to the world of programming. Since it is how I began my journey of Python programming, I would like to begin our tutorial with this norm. To begin, load up your Spyder IDE via Anaconda distribution or simply click the shortcut on the taskbar. Area for typing code in Spyder. Within the Spyder IDE, the area of the window in which we physically type code is called the editor. The editor is where all code belonging to a particular script will be typed. The code for a particular script is also referred to as source code. Source code is the actual code that makes up a particular program. For example, the Android operating system is open source, which means that anyone and everyone may download the source code free of charge and without any terms and conditions. Now, any source code comprises certain syntax that gives the entire script purpose, usefulness, reason for executing.